Make pizza with me. In a large bowl, dissolve some yeast and sugar in warm water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. Cut your beef into cubes, rinse, marinate with some shawarma seasoning, vegetable oil and paprika. Add some tomato paste into your pan, add a little bit of water, sweet chili, basil, oregano, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder and some salt to taste. Allow to simmer and take it off heat. Add the marinated beef to a skillet and cook for 5 minutes or until it is browned and tender. Take off heat and now our yeast is all frothy. All we have to do is gradually add in our all-purpose flour, oregano, salt and form a dough. Gradually add some vegetable oil, knead, and now we're going to add in a little bit of water in order to bring everything together. Knead until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover and allow to rise for an hour or until it doubles in size. I needed to cool my throat. Our dough is ready. All you have to do is shape it into a circle. Clean your surface, transfer the dough onto a rag, add your sauce, beef, cheese, red bell pepper, onions, green bell pepper, and that is it. We're going to be using our butcher mix oven to bake this to perfection. Like, guys, within the twinkle of an eye, it is out. Now, one of the things I like about this rag is it is non-stick. I removed it effortlessly. Now, let's give it a try. Look at that. It is so good. Make sure you try this recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by. Diary of a Northern Cook. I just